Wow, a package! I wonder who it's from. Let's go inside and take a look. This is Terrarium Kids Grow Kits. That's so cool to make plants in the house. Red sand.
I love the color.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh my, gosh.
What is that?
I have seeds.
Take it. What did you choose?
A farmhouse. Planting is so much fun, easy, and cool and colorful. You can use the discount codes below. Now we'll wait just 7 days for my plants to grow.
Teach your kids about gardening and growing healthy food right at home. Get your order today at backtotheroots.com. It's simple. Click on the link below in the description box and make sure to use IA's discount code at checkout.